Take a salt bath and connect with God, with living cord umbilical, roping out from glowing presence ethereal. Collected consciousness of kinfolk, passed down cutaneous, in liver marrow and heartstrings, and the extra tendon and surplus sugar. Wash off the world. True knowledge lives in those naps, springing at the universe. The big it out there, standing where, above and below meet, in murky beige soup, displaced by a body, still in motion.
We can't undo none of this shit. White folks did this shit. White folks told the lies. White folks did it. White folks gonna be the one who have to undo it. And that's when I say, a lot of them white people that you see no white people with the Black Lives Matter movement than you do black people.
That's the truth.
And I like it that way. You wanna know why?
What?
Because they the one that put us here. They gonna have to be the one that get us out. Okay, I'm from voodoo. I had an understanding of that concept a long time. You can't undo something that you didn't do. Don't think they bloodline, motherfuckers undo it.
Yeah.
I tell my daughter the same thing. You've been gone all these years. My mama this, my mama this, my mama. And then woo. I said, baby, let me tell you something. You're not finna sit here and put no guilt trip on some shit, on me for some shit that I had no control over. And I said, now, if you've been told any lies, your mama told you those lies, and you go to your mama to get the truth. Because I can't undo a lie that I didn't tell with the truth. Okay?
Yeah.
Because if you tell him a lie on me and I tell him the truth, when he come to you and tell him what I told you, what you gonna do? You gonna stick with your lie. You not gonna recant your lie, take your lie back. I mean, you not gonna retract that lie and that statement that you made and say, yeah, I lied. No, you ain't. You gonna stick with your lie and say that motherfucker just telling you that shit. That motherfucker did it.
Several shades of sun-bleached black. Washed away, rinsed out with brown Listerine. Origin of old man breath. Origin of all knowledge. Hepcat College, floating in air just out of sight. Can only see it when you're not looking, like a miracle. Or like lemon tart left in the dark, crocodile thrashing in the bushes, restless, hungry, glasses fogged, hearing the taste of salt. Becoming black, laid out under infinite light. Becoming black, laid out under infinite blue expanding. Baking to beautiful, crisp, crunchy edges that stick to the dish. Desiccation that produces juices. Turn you into a living particle magnet.
You want to shoot them. You all talk. You want to shoot that. Anybody that comes to me, I don't need to say nothing. I don't want that new dude
having a good time over here. Dude, what you coming over here for? Nothing over here. You know what I mean? We smoking weed, we popping pills. You know what I mean? Like, we already crazy, and you want to bring that crazy to us? Stay over there with that.
What did you say?
We're gonna march for you if you get murdered tonight. Nobody. Take all the pictures you want.
When are people gonna fucking wake up? That they're living in a fucking circle of liars, manipulators, traitors, un-American jerk-offs, you know what I mean? Like, anybody who believes that the way of life should be the way these people that wreck this city believe, they're retarded, right? Like this jerk off fucking Biden gets on a fucking stage and says Antifa's just a fucking idea. Really? Really? Just an idea? America is just an idea. Really? I didn't know it was just an idea. I thought I was a fucking human being that was in a country that was free. You know what I mean? And had the right to have the right to do whatever the fuck I want. Really? You know what I mean?
Expeditiously after this is over. I feel like there's definitely gonna be a change. I feel like unity is different. I feel like more people. We have now at this point we have cell phones, we have internet, social media.
Sharon John. I'm a vendor in front of the Apollo Theater, 125th Street.
God has left me and I myself have entered, taken their space, filled myself up with me and only me, and I feel myself already short of breath, choking and wheezing, coughing up what nature had placed in me, as though it were dusting of bluish yellow pollen, folding me in half with light pressure on my back.